Here at Aspire, we really value collaboration, persistence, professionalism and respect.
Being in a team means we play to people's individual strength, so we get to share knowledge and then we learn from each other.
The company will always support you in what you think is the best for you and your career progression. They will give you advice.
It's a very positive working environment. It's a very family-based environment.
One of the benefits to being work in Aspire is being flexible. It really helps me to manage my work-life balance.
There's a really strong sense of corporate social responsibility in Aspire. We've been involved in many different charity events over the last couple of years. We're involved in the Junior Entrepreneurship Programme. My favourite thing about working in Aspire is how active the sports and social is. There's something to suit every interest here.
For graduates, there's no better place. You'll be exposed to many different projects, to many different roles.
You get a chance to work on cutting-edge technologies such as 5G and machine learning applications.
We have an excellent network support.
Everyone will support you in Aspire.
Aspire has enabled me to travel, and I'm really happy that has been happening. For example, last month I went to Rome for a week. I've been traveling to other places like Sweden and Poland, and I think there will be other opportunities coming up.
We have over 25 nationalities working here, so it's a very diverse environment. We will celebrate Diwali, the Indian Festival of Light, in October. We celebrate Eid at the end of Ramadan. We celebrate, of course, Christmas and Easter.
I would say if you're looking for a very nice culture and interesting place to work that will give you a nice exposure of different type of technologies, then Aspire is a good place to be.
Come join us.
Biagi Lin.
Brabe Kayam.
تعالوا اشتغلوا في Aspire.
आइए हमारे साथ काम करिए.
Ven a trabajar con nosotros.
That sounds really long. What does it say, literally?
Come working with us.